walk. He's like, what do I do with snow? Hey, what do I do with the snow? What do I do? Come walk on it. Walk. Walk in your big jacket with your stuff. Come on, Sissy, walk. Ariana. Ariana. Kylie, come over here with Ari so I can get you in the video. Kylie. Come over here with Ari. He's like, how do you walk in this stuff? Kylie. Say hey.
Hey.
Say, second snow in Georgia this year. Well, first snow this year. Second snow this winter, huh? Ariana! Help her, Kylie. Her back is stuck. She's like, I'm slipping. It's kind of slippy, huh? Well, you wanted to walk. Hey. Ariana! Hey! What is this stuff? Is it snow? More like, kind of snow with ice over the top. I don't know that we can do anything with this stuff. It's hard. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Where are you at, Kylie? How are we going to make a snowman with this stuff, huh? It's snow with ice on it. It's not even like snow. It's like a bunch of ice, huh? What are you doing? Yeah. Walk with Ari. Hey, come on, Ariana. It's not like snow, I know. It's not like white puffy snow like we like. It's kind of hard as a rock snow. Ari says, what is this stuff? It's a bunch of ice. It's like the snow clouds got confused. I know. We'll have to try to make a snowman in a minute. I don't know if we'll be able to. We can make an Iceman.
Iceman? How can we make an Iceman?
Well, I don't know. We'll have to clump it together. Yeah?
There's a clear space right behind you, Mama.
A clear space right behind me? Where at? Go and show me. There it is.
Right here.
You think we can do anything with that stuff? What's Ari doing? All right. Ari! Say hey!
I can even look at this, Mama.
What do you think? Say snow. Say it's snow. Well, kind of. It's ice. Are you cold? Come on. Are you cold? Where are you going to go? Yeah, baby. Where are you?
I can break it.
You can break it? Stuff is hard. It's not like snow, it's like ice. Huh. Maybe it'll turn into more soft later. And it kind of melts. There's Ari. She decided she was going to sit down and see what is this stuff. Huh. See, what is this stuff? What is this stuff? I know. Ari. Hey, Kylie, say bye-bye. Ari, say bye-bye. Ari. Yeah. Woo. Say bye-bye.